Happy birthday, Mami! We are so blessed to have you in our lives. I'm looking forward na makita ka pa na maging isang lola na maaasahan ng aming mga future na anak. Stay healthy, Mami, and we're always here for you. Love you, Mom. God bless you always.
Hello, Mami! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and more power. Always remember na nandito kami mga anak mo at si Daddy. We love you very much. More birthdays to come, Mami. Love you!
Birthday, Mommy. Thank you for being an inspiration for me, for everyone that knows you. Thank you sa pag-aalaga kay Megan. Thank you for being an inspiration and a role model. Love you so much, Mommy. Happy birthday.
Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we...
Hey, Ma! Happy birthday! Ngayon, sumasayaw ko sa taas. At ako'y medyo konting lasing na at tatapusin ko na agad to para makainom na rin agad. Happy birthday! I love you so much! Sobra. I love you so much, Ma. Alam mo na yung go lang, the best ka. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi Ma'am, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat, lalo na yung sinakripisyo mo ang sarili mo para lang sa mga bata. Sana mabigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at kalakasan ng pangangatawan ng pag-isip. Hindi ko na hinahangad ang yaman sa mundo. Maari bang sana'y patawarin mo ako pagkat tayong dalawa ay sa isa't isa. Love you.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. We're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure. Here we go.